Hey guys, welcome to our channel V2 Visions. This is my first research based on Bermuda Triangle in series of mysterious facts. Let's start the video. A loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircraft and ships are said to be disappeared under mysterious circumstances is nothing but the Bermuda Triangle. The vertices of Bermuda Triangle are located at Florida, Puerto Rico and Bermuda. The total area of this triangle varies from 13 lakhs and 39 lakhs square kilometer. The depth of ocean at Bermuda Triangle is 28,373 feet. Until now there is no clear explanation for the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. This is also called as Devil's Triangle. There are 5 assumptions for the explanation of mystery of the triangle. Now let us discuss about the explanations. Methane hydrates. High volume of methane gas exists at the surface of Bermuda Triangle in the form of big bubbles. A property of methane is that it can sink a scale model ship by decreasing the density of water. One methane bubble is enough to suck a large ship. Scientists say that this might be one of the reasons behind the lost ships. Gulf Stream. In the surface of Gulf Stream water flows with a high velocity of 2 meters. This stream the ships which were drowned are pushed away from Bermuda Triangle into the ocean bed. Atlantis City. Recently in Bermuda Triangle scientists found a rock formation under the water and they named it as Bimini Road. By looking at this formation we can say that it is a human formation. So scientists are into thinking that this formation belongs to a most powerful city in the history of Atlantis and that is under the Bermuda Triangle. Those times power sources were supplied through powerful crystals and crystal energy was produced. This energy will be further delivered to Atlantis City. Due to the crystal technology compass will not be working and due to the attraction force objects gets attracted and will be disappeared. Many people believe that this might be the reason behind the disappearances of ships and planes. Master Pyramid. Apart from all these theories, some people believe that all these wonders are happening due to the power of a pyramid called Master Pyramid. Now I am going to explain about the incidents. Incident number 1. USS Cyclops. The incident resulting in a large loss of life in the history of US Navy. That ship was carrying a full load of manganese ore and went missing without a trace with a crew of 309 sailors. Number 2. Flight 19. On 5th of December 1945. As a part of routine training, US Navy has sent a 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bomber planes to the region of Bermuda Triangle. They named these 5 fighter planes team as Team 13. After 3 hours they got a voice call from Flight 19 captain. He said their compasses were not working and by then the signal of voice message was disconnected. Those 5 planes and 14 members of that team didn't return even by night. So US Navy has sent a team of 13 members in search of the lost flight. Both the flights are missing. Not even a single clue was found regarding the staff and the ship and no one knows what happened to them till today. Christopher Columbus. The great explorer Christopher Columbus. When he was sailing through Bermuda Triangle, he saw a straight line and a huge fireball in the sky and his magnetic compass was not working. All these information was found in his diary. Incident number 4. Time travel. In December 1970, Bruce German started his flight journey from Florida to Bahamas. Suddenly he saw a huge cloud and flashlight of high density. Later he came out from the huge cloud and was shocked to see Miami Beach in front of him. The wonder here is that it took only half an hour to reach Miami Beach from Florida, where it actually takes 1.5 hours to reach Miami Beach from Florida by a flight. People say that he experienced time travel of an hour. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. To know more about mysterious facts, kindly comment your thoughts in the description.